Okay guys, so today's Busted Out Wednesday video is going to be the ImpressArt stuff. Like, okay, so I recently picked some up on HSN and I honestly don't know why. I just thought it was cute because I've never even used the first batch of stuff I bought from probably Joann's, places like that, a few years back. So if I have any links, they'll be in the description box. They will be affiliate links, basically to the same kit I picked up on HSN. So if you purchase, let's say, that item through that link, I'll make a small commission. But again, this is Busted Out, so hopefully you already have something like this and you haven't used it. And I heard from a lot of you guys, oh my gosh, I have that stuff and I haven't used it, or however you want to do it. So I haven't even looked, to be honest. I know where it is. It's labeled here because I brought it from the garage. I have these big, huge, you know, those big iris kind of like divider things. I'll pull it out right now because I haven't even looked at it. Woo. And I have these things, right? And they go inside like a kind of a divider, like those plastic tubs, and it says Impress Jewelry. Oh, because whenever I brought it in a few months ago. So I've had this stuff for probably 4 years, maybe 5. I was thinking about it. I bought it in Poway. I've lived here already 2 years. I had it in Poway for a long time. Oh, that's not a good sound. Without using it. And look at all the stuff that's in here, actually. There's a lot of things, like I got these like at Hobby Lobby that you make jewelry real quick with. And then I was like, I like making jewelry. I don't really need a bracelet that's already made, and then all you do is slap this little guy in here, right? These little holders. But it's cute. Look at this one. You know what? I should leave them out so I actually use them. This one is fun. Hold on. I'm just going to put that together real quick. How cute is that? How do you put this on? Okay, so then this probably... So this is not what this video is about at all, but hey, what the heck? It's busted out. Why not? So I think they still have stuff like this at Hobby Lobby. I know I picked this stuff up a while back, but, and I'm assuming all I'm going to do is use these little clippies. You guys are going to be more impressed with this than what I do here. Oh my gosh. I know I got that because I'm like, ooh, create, yeah. That's what I need. Let me put this on. Just trying to wrap it around my wrist, I suppose. It's been in here so long, it's like completely wanting to keep that same shape. Sorry, I gotta get close to me to... Ooh, Lord have mercy. What kind of wrist size is this? I don't have big wrists, but this is not working out. Let's see here. Okay, I think it just needs a little... It needs a little something. It needs to rest a little bit. There we go. Oh my gosh. Yeah, this stuff is snug. And honestly, it feels weird on this arm. I should have put it on this side. I only have one bracelet. I never wear watches, and I have a Tiffany bracelet my husband got me a long time ago because I really wanted that cute one with the little heart, you know? And then I got it for like my birthday, and then like for Christmas or Mother's Day, I got the necklace to go with it. And then I only wear it here and there. I don't know. Oh, look at that. There's even a receipt in here for this stuff. Okay. So what do I got? I have... See, I never used it. There's the hammer, brand new. So did I even mention it was ImpressArt? Okay, so it's ImpressArt stuff. Look at the little stick family. That is adorable. Oh, I was wondering. I was like, I think I have that. So I do. Great. The bracelet that makes the thicker bracelets, but also the bender for that. I mean, I might not use all these things. I don't think I'm going to use all these things. We have this cute little alphabet set. This is the newsprint alphabet set. I have... Look at all these things. Oh my gosh. Little, oh, see, okay. Oh, here we go. I was like, these guys, you have to make your own hole, right? These little blanks. And here is the thing that makes the hole punch. Or makes a hole, it's a hole punch. Oh my gosh. I went all in and I never, ever, ever used it. Oh, a little swirly heart by itself. Adorable. A bunch of little fun things. Oh, little heart pieces for like your little bestie to have. And all these little cute things in here. And then the thin aluminum bracelets. Oh, there's more stuff down here, I think. What do we got? What do we got here? Yes, awesome. Okay, so the enamel, they have this in a pen. The pen is probably better or easier to use. Oh, I should put that somewhere else, wherever I need that to be. Let me see if I have anything else ImpressArt in here. Oh, yeah. You need this, so that's good. I have the blank, the stamping block. So you need something hard metal like this. And my kids are awake right now, and I've already made like 4 or 5 videos today, but I need to stock up on videos on top of that. I think that's it. Look at all these different bracelet blanks I have. I wish I'd known this thing is kind of tight. Not kidding. I feel like my hand is getting a little, I don't know. Okay. yeah, so I was like, no, I gotta get this video done tonight or today because you have to hit this hard, like boom, right? And I have a wood table under here, the Husky table. I already did a review on it when I bought it, so you guys can check that out. So these are the things I have already. This is what came recently that I bought on HSN. You guys, I'm so happy right now. I cleared out this whole area just because, again, in preparation for that Crafters Companion video or where I'm going to sit along with them, you know, to craft along. And it looks so much better. I just cleared out this whole area and put this big mat, and I'm really happy about it. All right, again, so this one, okay, what do we got? This is why I got this, and to be honest, I probably just could have got this from wherever and probably less expensive than buying a whole kit, right? But if it's a good starter kit, you know, you got it going. So this one, actually, what I do like about this is it has that larger block that you hit, so I do like that better than this aiming on this little tiny square. It does come with that black ink stuff, but it comes in this little tube. And oh, it does have a lid. Okay, good. Because I was wondering about this. I was like, what do you want to open it? And then it's just going to squirt everywhere. But it has like a tiny little lid on it. That comes with a bracelet. So this is just very beginner. Has a couple little keychain tags, like keychains, little, your little blanks that already have holes in them because obviously you can't use it otherwise. And this doesn't have a hole puncher in it. It has an alphabet, and I hope it's different. It looks different than basic stamping kit. What's the alphabet? Bridget, good. So it's different than what I already have. Actually, this is very cute. So, cute stuff. You can see the little alphabet there, and then the newsprint alphabet looks like that. So if you can see the different ones. And apparently these people are, you know, it's becoming more and more popular now, it seems like, because it looks like in the last couple of years it got really popular. So, what are we going to do? I don't know. Let's see. What is this? It makes like a little ornament or something cute, a little charm you can put on your wine. I was just thinking about just doing like a Christmassy word, I don't know, like joy, something easy, right? So we can kind of try this out. I'll use this little block. And I already have this guy. Where's this hammer? Look at the hammer. So this one's old. And it is gold, and this one has like a silver head. But I did notice one of them saying soft stamp or something. This one's just a stamping hammer. Oh, it has a replaceable head. Interesting. Okay, so again, this one's super old. Let me open this. This is exciting, you guys. And I know some people said they did try theirs and just kind of messed it up. So we'll make it easy, hopefully. Ooh, I do not want to get cut. I do not like this kind of clamshell packaging. Because it cuts you. Those little pieces. Oh, sorry, that was ugly noise. Alright, we got that. This has a cute little thing on it for whatever reason. And I'm standing up, and I'll probably continue to stand up because, I don't know. And then there's magnets, I'm assuming, so you can... Ew. You know, sometimes when they machine something, they put oil. There's oil all over this thing. Ew. I don't like touching it. It smells very mechanic. I'm gonna try to wipe this down. How are you going to stick those things on there if this thing's all greasy? Anyway, it's just a metal blank. Big piece of metal. I'm not going to stick these on here yet, but I'm assuming you just take them off and put one in each corner. Yep. Remove oil with dry cloth. I just did that. And then you stick these on here. I'm going to give it a minute because I don't know that I wiped it well enough. Okay, but otherwise you take these off. Boop. Pop one in each corner. I'll put that down right there. Ooh, that's heavy. Okay. And I'm going to take... Oh, that's cute. I didn't think about putting people's names on them. I was just going to put, like, joy. Or something cute. Something Christmassy. Huh. Well, then maybe I don't want to use these. Okay, well, if I was to use this, I would put... I'm going to save these, because I don't want to just put some generic name, and I really don't feel like right now doing Miranda, a whole long name like that, or Dorian, or whatever it is. So that's a cute kit, but again... Ooh, those are tiny. I'm just looking at the different things I have here. Like, these are really small. Okay, well, I'll use these. So they do have these in tons of sizes. That's what I remember. So, like, even these little guys, obviously the ones that are in there are a little bigger. This is, like, the smallest circle in the world. But what's kind of cool... What I like these is I was thinking like you would put them on your journal and a little tag kind of thing. Let's get a little bit closer. Okay, and I'm going to tape this down. So I don't know if people were doing that, and when they said, you know, they kind of get messed up and all this, you definitely want to put a little something. And I'm going to use washi just because I have washi, but, you know, there's probably better tapes out there. And I'm just gonna do a quick word. I'm gonna stick this piece down. I'm gonna stick it down in both areas so I kind of have an idea where I want my letters to be. And I'm gonna be playful with this, so I don't care what it ends up looking like. This is the newsprint one. I really like the one that's in there, but oh, and this packaging has the little easy tear. Ooh, all of a sudden I hear a weird noise. You know what happens when your ear all of a sudden you like tune into some kind of frequency? I think it's coming off this light. Nope, yeah, that works like a charm. It doesn't work at all. All right. Ah. Okay. All right. These are really cute the way they kind of put them in here. And then they have larger ones that are really, really big. Okay. I'm just going to eyeball this. And this is as easy as it is. You just have our blank, stick it down. You got your little things. And another tip I had seen recently, because I was thinking what I want to do with this, is like if you did joy, I'm going to put J-O-Y. Just put like little dots so you kind of have an idea where your little letters should be. Just so you're kind of in the middle and you kind of have something to gauge it, I suppose. J. Okay. Ooh, these are all greasy. I'm going to wipe that off. So J, going the right way. So another thing is you could do this and kind of make sure you have it in the right spot, like where it is. Ooh, this stuff is soft, the metal, because it's already scraped it. But I'm just going to eyeball it. So this might be completely crooked. Obviously this is square, so you can kind of feel if it's straight. And you want to get it with one good hit. And I'm saying that you can hit it twice, but if you move it and you can't really find the same groove, it's going to look bad. So you want to try to hit it one time pretty well. Not bad. I mean, it's there. It's not super deep, so. But again, I'm kind of afraid to hit my table. So let's try it again. J, and that first dot. Here's O. It looks the same on either way, so I'm just going to kind of eyeball where that O is. Oh my god. So cute. I think to me, I was even thinking about this, it's kind of like a free-form Friday because, like, I don't care if it's super lined up or if it's just a little bit off. That's the cuteness of this. J-O-Y. Again, if you want it to be in a certain spot, put your tape up a little bit higher and then go like this, so where you feel where your letter stops, where it's stopping, that's the bottom, right? So you'll do the same thing with all your letters, and then you'll know where they are. I'm just kind of eyeballing the green part here. Oh, I was gonna say that one felt like I didn't quite get it. You see the Y right there is missing a little piece, so let me see if I can... this is scary. Fit it back in the groove. Okay. I just got it buried even more on that Y down there, but it got that top corner that I missed. Okay, so let's pretend that's all we're gonna do. And what does this have? Let me see. It has all the alphabet. It has an and. I guess that's it. That's what I'm seeing. All the alphabet and. Okay. Oh, that'd be cute. Joy and something. I'm trying to think what I want to do. I will go ahead and open this up. Oh goodness. I don't know how I want to get into this packaging. Let me open this package. I'll be right back. I'm just trying to get this thing. Okay, I got that out. I just want to open this one instead of that bigger one, but basically it says do the same thing, and it has little pictures on here just to put some of the black stuff down, get it in the grooves, let it sit 1 to 3 minutes, and then wipe away the excess. This one's saying to be a little more exact about it, and leave it 10-30 seconds and then wipe away, so that sounds better. And this one does say to shake it, and I was kind of interested in this one. I thought, oh, maybe I squeeze it, but it doesn't say anything about that, but I'm still going to just leave that alone. Oh, yeah. So this lid... There we go. Oh, it's so cute. So smart. Okay. I'm going to put some of this down. I don't know how because I'm just wiping it with the little bottle itself. You know what I'm saying? I will clean that off and I will put this lid on it. That's so cute. It has like a little poker to go down in there to keep it, you know, in there and from drying out. Okay, so you have that. It says to leave it for 1 to 3 minutes. I'll leave it for 1 minute. I don't want it to end up drying because then it'll be impossible to remove. So I'll leave it for a minute or so. I'll be right back. Okay, I might have gone a little bit longer than the minute I said, but I'm just gonna wipe it carefully. This one's interesting because the way this one does its lettering is like gouged into it instead of like more like an indentation. Some I can see are more like an indentation. This one gouges. Aww. Very simple. I don't know if it's the wrong side or right side on this. Now I'm looking at it, I think maybe this side. But you know what? You can stamp it on both sides just if you want to. But you can see that it came through on this side, which is interesting. Okay. And one last thing I'm going to do is just make a punch. You know, I was thinking, I'm like, that's what I'm missing. They have another thing that you squeeze like this to make bracelets. And I'm assuming this one was probably less expensive than that. That's probably why I have this. Because this thing, all you do is hook it in there. You do your little letters, whatever it is, you hook it here and you bend it. And then you take it off and put the other side in here and bend it again. And then you have a rounded bracelet. Kind of like it's showing you here. So really fun. I'm glad I tried it at least. And just keep an eye out for more videos because I'll try to do a few more here and there. Now, this is interesting. Like, what is this? What is this? I don't know how to use this tool. I have other tools for other beading purposes and it works just fine, but punches 1/16 inch size holes, fits 18 to 20 gauge jump rings, depth guard, protects against scratching and marring. I guess that's what this thing is. I'm just going to use it the way it is. I don't know if that's all I need. We will see. Alright, so I'm just eyeballing it where I think it might go. Like there. And then I'm going to give it a punch. Oh, that's easy. I like when things work easy. And then this thing, obviously it's just in there. We're going to wiggle, wiggle. Wiggle, wiggle. Get it out of there. Just a little wiggle. There we go. Alright. And then you can put that on your jump ring, put it on your, you know, journal, wherever you want, a card. Oh, on a little, with a little bow or a little ribbon or something. So I'll definitely try and incorporate this more often because that is pretty cute. I mean, it works out really easily. I probably have to do a little better technique, but that's for the first time out ever trying it. I think that's pretty cute. Worked out pretty well. Alright guys, it's a quick one today. I'm glad I tried it. I should have tried it years ago. I don't know why. I just let it sit in there. It's not that intimidating. I think the other thing, and I'll do another video on that, maybe a tutorial on doing the bracelet because, oh yeah, I'll just put my name on there. Okay, where are you going to put your name on it, right? So you need to be right in the middle. For my name, Vianney, okay, let's say V-I-A-N-N-E-Y. The N should be right in the center, and then N-E-Y-V-I-A. You know what I'm saying? So you want to make sure you're right in the middle of your bracelet, just so it looks nice. Or any of the characters, whatever it is that you want to do, you want to go ahead and find the center and then go from there, right? So, alright guys, thanks for watching. That was a fun one. Hopefully you guys will try out the ones you have. I know, like I said, I did hear from a lot of you guys like, oh, I have that same thing. Never used it. So I'll see you guys at the next one. Bye now.